cockpit installed. Today I will glue the cowling in and install the cockpit for FPV. I use duct tape where I don't want the cowling to adhere. I applied the glue and used some wood screws to hold the cowling in place. I add couple of layers of fiberglass and the glue part is done. One more screw from the top to get a nice fit around the tab. After everything cures, I make all necessary cuts. The cut along the tab separates the upper half of the cowling. The lower half stays in permanently. I clean up both sides to get a sharper line since the cut wasn't perfect. I remove the tape and check the fit again. Time to talk about the cockpit. The displays will be showing airspeed, battery 1 and 2 and generator voltage. Funny enough, the airspeed will be expressed in volts. I don't really care to know the actual speed, I want to know the stall speed value, so I always stay above it. I could definitely have all the parameters on the over-screen display, however I want the camera view to feel like flying the real plane. To read the airspeed, I will be using differential pressure sensor with pitot tube. I'll get into more details in future episodes. I haven't really planned for this cockpit and I added it on the run. I hope the displays won't flicker with the DJI camera. That's all for today and more coming soon.